You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these adjectives once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including from mathematics, geometry, stay tuned. Azimuthal is how it's pronounced. Let's break it down. There is a different pronunciation to it, which is also correct, which I'll get back to in a second. Azimuthal. Azimuthal. Alternatively, you can also say it can also be pronounced as azimuthal, 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 or just stick to azimuthal from the azimuth. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.